we are. The Hydro Drag's doing a live install with the awesome Kim. Slightly windy, but it's a beautiful day out here.
Angelica going to be in lane number 1. Orlando going to be in lane number 2. So go ahead and get that first race. We'll get you out there once again. Angelica will be in lane number 1.
We're not playing the music yet.
We'll be in lane number 2.
We will be. There's some of the displays that we have. We also have a few here for sale. These are the 8-inch Super Freq pods. So they fit the 8-inch speakers. Each comes with 4 sets of tuning ports. So you tune to the highs and lows based on the music you listen to.